Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a job on LinkedIn. So here we are on LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account, whether it's business, personal, premium, or free. It doesn't matter. Let's dive into the steps and get your job posting up and running. In the upper menu, you'll see an option that says Jobs with a little briefcase icon. Go ahead and click on that. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll notice a blue link that says Post a Job with AI. Click on that, and we'll move forward with setting up your job post. Once you've clicked on Post a Free Job, you'll be taken to a page that asks you to fill out some basic information. You'll need to enter the job title, your company name, and choose the workplace type, whether it's on-site, hybrid, or remote. These options are pretty straightforward, so just fill them out accordingly. Will the employee need to drive to an on-site office? Will it be a hybrid role where some days are in the office and others are remote? Or can they work remotely all the time? You can select whichever option fits your job. The next section is Job Location. Here, you can specify a country or a state, depending on whether it's a remote position or an in-office job. Make sure this aligns with the type of workplace you've selected. Next, you'll choose the type of job, whether it's full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, volunteer, or an internship. Just select the one that applies to your job. For this example, I'll choose part-time job. After you've filled everything out, click the blue Get Started for Free button. This will take you to the next step, where you'll need to write a job description. It's similar to creating a listing on eBay. You're essentially putting up a job listing. Now it's time to type in the details for the role after you've typed out your job description. Make sure it looks professional and well-detailed. The better it looks, the more appealing it will be to potential candidates. A one-liner probably won't attract many quality applicants. Once you're happy with the description, go ahead and click on Add Skills to highlight the specific skills required for the job. Once you've clicked the green button, it will place your cursor in the Skills section. If a particular skill is required for the job, simply search for that skill in the provided search bar. A list of related skills will pop up, and you can select the ones that match your job requirements. Continue to browse through and add any relevant skills, the source where candidates heard about your job. This section is crucial for employers to understand which channels are effectively reaching potential candidates. Was it through a referral, a social media post, a job board, or another method? Knowing this can help you optimize your recruitment strategies in the future. Once you fill this out, you'll want to make sure all the details you've provided so far are accurate before moving on. Once you select email, you'll be able to enter the email address where you want to receive applications. This ensures that all candidate responses come directly to your inbox, making it easy to track and manage applications. If you prefer to direct applicants to an external website, simply choose that option and provide the URL. After you've completed this section, review all the information to ensure accuracy before moving on to the final step. Screening questions are a great way to filter candidates and ensure that they meet your requirements before you even see their resumes. You can add questions related to their experience, skills, or any specific qualifications relevant to the job. These questions can help you gauge whether a candidate is a good fit for the role and save you time in the hiring process. So, how many years of work experience do you have using tool or technology? Recommended. Again, is this a must-have qualification? Ideal answer would be 1, 2. You can select how many of you want them to do. Next, you'll need to specify the skills or tools necessary for this position. Additionally, you can include a variety of screening questions, such as inquiries about background checks, certifications, driver's licenses, or languages. There's also an option to add a custom question tailored to your needs. Click on the Custom Question option. You can then enter your question in the designated field and choose the appropriate response type for it. Is it a yes or no response, or is it a numeric answer? Lastly, there's the qualification setting, which allows you to filter out and automatically send rejections to applicants who do not meet any of the must-have qualifications. If you want to filter out applicants who don't meet the specified requirements, such as essential tools, traits, education, or experience, LinkedIn will automatically discard those applications. You won't receive notifications about them, preventing you from being overwhelmed with unqualified candidates who know they don't fit the job criteria. After completing the previous steps, you can click the Preview button to see how your listing will appear. This includes your company logo, job title, company name, and location. Check to ensure everything looks right, and then click the blue Continue button to post. Once you do that, you're all set to go. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.